If you're not using influencers to drive traffic directly to your product pages, you're leaving money on the table. Influencers don't just build brand awareness, they convert. Why? Because they build that trust. Their followers already listen, already engage, and when they say, use my product code to save 15%, you better believe people click. One well-placed post with a unique discount code can turn cold traffic into warm, ready-to-buy customers right on those product pages. And the best part, you can track exactly who's driving the most sales. No guessing, no spreadsheets, and forget about manual payouts. It's just clean attribution and real results. Here's why discount codes are so powerful in influencer marketing. They create urgency. Limited time codes boost conversion. They personalize the offer. Use Mariah 15, it feels direct and it feels exclusive. They're trackable, perfect for knowing which influencers actually perform. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but how do I manage it all without losing my mind? Let me show you what to use. Simple Affiliate is the easiest way to manage influencer discount codes, track sales, and pay commissions, all from inside your Shopify store. No clunky spreadsheets, no separate tools, just plug in and go. So, if you're ready to drive sales right to those product pages and scale your influencer marketing program without the chaos, get Simple Affiliate. Because when creators win, so does your Shopify store.